Switching repricers can feel overwhelming, but here's the truth. Migrating to SmartRepricer isn't just simple, it's a game changer. With real-time, event-driven repricing, ROI-based flexibility, and coverage against 22 global Amazon marketplaces, SmartRepricer doesn't just replace your old repricer, it upgrades the way you compete. And here's the kicker, SmartRepricer is part of the Seller 365 suite. One subscription unlocks not just repricing, but 9 other industry-leading tools: sourcing, listing, inventory management, accounting, profits, reviews, alerts, and more. No hidden add-ons, no extra costs. Let's be honest, many repricers have limitations. Limited marketplace coverage, slow, interval-based repricing, no post-buy box safeguards, one-dimensional strategies, and fragmented costs from juggling multiple tools. SmartRepricer solves all of these, delivering faster repricing, broader coverage, and higher profits per order. With SmartRepricer inside of Seller 365, you get one login, one subscription, no hidden add-ons, cost-friendly pricing starting at just $69 a month, and the entire Seller 365 bundle at your fingertips. Even if you only use SmartRepricer and one other tool, you're already saving compared to paying for separate platforms. But migration doesn't just give you a better repricer, it upgrades your entire business. Seller 365 includes tactical arbitrage, Scoutify, ScoutX, and ScoutIQ for sourcing, Inventory Lab for listing, prep, shipping, and accounting, Feedback Whiz for alerts, reviews, and automated buyer-seller messages, Feedback Whiz Profits for real-time margin tracking, and live coaching, as well as 3 Colts University to help you master it all. SmartRepricer goes beyond one simple automation. Unlike tools that rely on slow intervals or limited AI, SmartRepricer combines real-time event-driven repricing, ROI-based and inventory-aware strategies, velocity repricing to move stock faster, and post-buy box profit protection. That's smarter, faster, safer repricing. Switching repricers might sound complex, but SmartRepricer makes it simple. Export your data from BeCool or SellerSnap or whichever repricer you're using. Download SmartRepricer's blank template. Map your ASINs, SKUs, and strategies. Then upload your file. Review instant result explanations to catch errors. Verify your SKUs and go live. No guesswork, no silent failures, just guided migration with instant feedback. And here's the real advantage. SmartRepricer isn't a standalone tool, it's a part of Seller 365. That means one subscription, multiple tools. No hidden fees or add-ons. Cost-friendly scaling as your business grows. And real impact. Sellers save 20 to 40% compared to stacking separate tools. Switching to SmartRepricer makes you more competitive. Switching inside Seller 365 makes your entire Amazon business more efficient. Smarter, faster, safer repricing, bundled with the Seller 365 ecosystem. Start your migration today and make the switch from price wars to profit wins.